If you've lost access to your eBay account and need to regain ownership, follow these straightforward steps to recover it efficiently. Step 1. Visit the eBay sign-in page. Before starting recovery, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email or username. Input the email address or username associated with your eBay account. This will help eBay identify your account and send recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from eBay with instructions on how to reset your password. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. Step 5. Verify your identity. If prompted, complete any additional identity verification steps, such as answering security questions or confirming your identity through a phone number. This ensures that only you can access your account. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log back into your eBay account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for further assistance.